Amid the silent stretches of space, where darkness and wonder collide, a chilling new chapter in cosmic exploration has emerged. Voyager 1, our boldest explorer, journeying through the void for over 40 years, has encountered something unexpected. During what should have been a routine communication session, an unusual signal was picked up. But what exactly did Voyager 1? Was it an error? A strange quirk in space, or something far more extraordinary? Let's dive into the story of how Voyager 1 may have received a mysterious and alarming signal from a nearby object in space. Voyager 1's legacy began in earnest in January of 1990. But it was on February 14 of that same year that the spacecraft, floating nearly 6 billion kilometers from the Sun, took some of the most iconic photographs ever captured. In what is now known as the Solar System Family Portrait, Voyager 1 turned its gaze back to photograph the Sun and most of the planets, capturing the solar system in a breathtaking mosaic. Missing from the frame were Mercury and Mars, cloaked in their own orbital mysteries. In total, Voyager 1 transmitted 60 of these historic images, part of a vast archive of over 67,000 captured throughout its mission. As the spacecraft prepared to leave the solar system behind, NASA made a crucial decision to shut down its cameras, preserving energy and memory for the long road ahead toward the stars. Voyager 1, though the most famous, isn't alone in its journey. It shares the stage with Pioneer 10, Pioneer 11, and New Horizons, other trailblazers that have reached for the stars. In 1998, Voyager 1 overtook Pioneer 10 to become the farthest human-made object in space, a title it still holds today, unmatched by any other craft. Out in the distant reaches of our solar system, an unexplained object was detected, fueling speculation that similar encounters may await countless other civilizations scattered across the Milky Way. It's thrilling to imagine Voyager, crafted by human hands, drifting for thousands of years through space, perhaps already brushing up against signs of alien intelligence. Somewhere beyond the Sun's dominion, an unknown presence flickered briefly into existence, possibly a harbinger of contact with another world. Could it be that we're not just imagining life on one alien planet, but contemplating the existence of billions? Astrophysicist Neil deGrasse Tyson has suggested that Voyager reminds us just how much of the universe remains unseen. With every star representing a potential solar system, the possibilities seem endless. And while concrete evidence of life remains elusive, the scientific consensus is resolute: life is out there. Carl Sagan, one of Voyager's most vocal champions, believed it. Today's scientists echo his optimism, emboldened by Voyager's legacy and what it may yet uncover. Voyager's trek took a dramatic turn when it encountered an invisible boundary, the heliopause, marking the transition from the solar bubble into the interstellar sea. On August 25, 2012, it crossed that threshold. The heliopause is where the Sun's influence wanes and the interstellar environment begins. This event wasn't just historic, it was symbolic. Humanity had stepped into deep space for the first time. Scientists hoped Voyager would shed light on how the solar wind interacts with the galactic medium, and it delivered. The data promised insight into a realm we had never before explored. NASA now finds itself in a race against time. As Voyager 1 and its twin continue their lonely journeys, keeping them functional becomes ever more challenging. Yet NASA remains committed, squeezing every possible year out of these aging spacecraft. Voyager's story is more than a technical feat, it's a story of persistence and imagination. The software updates sent across billions of miles are a reminder of what human ingenuity can achieve. Voyager didn't just explore, it inspired. Its findings on Jupiter's complex system helped pave the way for future missions like Galileo and Juno. Cassini's dive into Saturn was spurred by Voyager's flyby of Titan. Voyager 2's insights into Uranus and Neptune laid the groundwork for research into missions like Europa Clipper and Dragonfly, destined for Jupiter and Titan, trace their lineage directly to Voyager. Even after crossing the heliopause, Voyager 1 continued to push forward for another 14 years before NASA officially confirmed its interstellar status in 2013. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, making both probes the only human-made objects to leave the solar system. Today, Voyager 1 travels more than 14.5 billion miles from Earth, an unimaginable distance. Despite its age, Voyager 1 has stayed remarkably healthy. But lately, scientists have noticed unusual behavior. The probe, once a model of reliability, has been sending strange, inconsistent data, almost as if it no longer knows where it is. Even more unnerving, Voyager 1 has not triggered its backup safety systems, which should activate when it loses orientation. Its antenna is still beaming data back to Earth, but the information is suspect, raising serious questions about what might be happening out there. Equipped with advanced instruments, Voyager 1 was designed to probe the unseen forces of space. Its magnetometer reads invisible magnetic fields, searching for anomalies, clues that something unusual might be nearby. Its plasma wave sensor listens for pulses and whispers in the interstellar medium, fluctuations that might hint at artificial sources or unknown cosmic events. Could Voyager 1 have brushed against something truly alien, an object or signal unlike anything we've encountered before? Was the anomaly just a technical hiccup? Or could it be the first sign of contact with another intelligence? Whatever the answer may be, one thing is certain: Voyager 1 continues to explore the great unknown. And with every mile it travels, it carries with it the hopes of a species longing to understand the cosmos and perhaps one day to find we are not alone. As its name suggests, the ultraviolet spectrometer aboard Voyager 1 is designed to decode the hidden stories told by ultraviolet radiation emitted by stars and other celestial objects. Unexpected bursts of UV light might signal unknown natural phenomena or possibly artificial sources. It's this element of mystery that continues to fuel curiosity around Voyager 1's mission. In a twist that defied expectations, Voyager 1 recently detected an unusual stream of particles, something scientists didn't anticipate. While some dismissed the event as a data glitch, others speculated it could be the result of an unidentified force or perhaps an enigmatic object emitting inconsistent particle waves. In these pitch-black reaches of space, the spacecraft's cameras have been shut down, not out of failure, but necessity. In the vast unlit void, there's simply nothing for them to see. Yet, darkness doesn't mean blindness. Voyager 1 can still see by interpreting the radiation and energetic signatures that surround it. In fact, that's how it detects asteroids, rogue planets, and possibly even advanced alien technologies drifting through interstellar space. Out here in the infinite stretch between stars, secrets lie hidden, and Voyager may be the only witness. Launched in January 1979, Voyager 1 began transmitting some of the most mesmerizing space images ever captured. During one extraordinary 100-hour stretch, it photographed Jupiter in stunning detail, snapping 3,750 images that scientists later transformed into a breathtaking time-lapse of the gas giant's rotation. This sequence covered 10 full rotations and showcased the immense power and elegance of the planet. As it pressed deeper into the Jovian system, Voyager 1 turned its focus to Jupiter's moons. In February 1979, it explored their orbits, revealing a new level of complexity in the planet's satellite system. Then came a groundbreaking discovery: a faint, previously unseen ring around Jupiter. Just a month later, Voyager 1 identified two previously unknown moons, which would later be named Thebe and Metis. These historic